Okay.
This is the first time we've been in the school in 9 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is. Dang! The one time. Does this record sound? Because I sound like a retard. Dang!
Did you turn it off?
It's still recording. Ew, freak. So this is my locker. Let's see what we got here.
Still recording.
We got Holly's shoe. Only one. Holly's lunch. Holly's
Yeah.
book.
Do you want to see Holly's lunch? Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it?
Ew, don't take it out.
Yeah,
No,
take it out.
the smell is like unleashed.
Because this is Holly's lunch.
Yeah, it's really gross.
Really attractive
See,
bright orange crackers.
See,
Bright orange crackers.
yeah, they saw the bright orange crackers. This is all of our books. There's Holly's water bottles. You can see it. I think she's taking most of our shoes home, so there's not much to really booger about. But these are all of our bows.
Oh yeah, that was mad good idea though. And these are bright orange crackers. Wait. Oh, look at that.
Good. Happy birthday. Oh, there's my bow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, these are all of our apple stickers.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and
oh, and check it out.
oh my god.
Epic.
These are all the apples.
Apples. All right. This is 1 minute and 30 seconds. I think I'm gonna turn it off now.